Buffalo bandsaw, horizontal stationary. Here's the stats. Motor specs. Change the speed on the belt where the pulley has different positions. Left handle here. Take this screw out, remove this back cover to replace your blade. Loosen this top wheel by loosening this knob here. Tension your drop speed right here. Screw it in to make it slower, screw it out to make it faster, lest I'm sorely mistaken. Here's your clamp. Where your clamp here, loosen, tighten, pretty simple. Start, stop switch. Has a rocker switch here, which I'm going to have to replace. Has a handle here where you lift up on it. And like I say, you tighten this bar to slow the drop speed, or loosen it to increase the drop speed. That's pretty much it. Nice little find for his 30 bucks. Got a bolt here for the cover. These hinges are broke, so I'll probably end up putting a couple of bolts up top, long bolts up top here with nuts or something. Keep that cover intact. Pretty nice. And there she is. Not very tall, sits maybe about 3 feet off the ground, something like that.